Hello everyone, welcome to the world of smart investments. In each video, I repeat that every successful investor must be focused on real facts, results and actions. Every intelligent investor should ignore forecast, rumors of assumptions from policymakers, analysts, and especially mass media. Now there is a lot of noise, a lot of emotions around the China. In this video, I propose drop all emotions and look at real facts and real actions of the largest hedge fund, American hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates. My name's Liubomyr. I am general partner investor of Equity Capital Partners.
Bridgewater Associates is an American investment management firm founded by Ray Dalio in 1975. The firm serves institutional clients including pension funds, endowments, foundations, foreign governments, and central banks. It utilizes a global macro investment style based on economic trends such as inflation, currency exchange rates, and United States gross domestic product. In October 2018, the Bridgewater team launched its main product in the Chinese market. All-weather portfolio onshore China. In June 2019, Ray Dalio announced the launch of a second product for Chinese institutional investors, Pure Alpha China, and the number of employees at Bridgewater headquarters in Shanghai tripled. All these actions were made during the period of aggravation in the tariff war between the United States of America and China. And now, let's remember once again what successful investors are looking for. The first is well-managed companies with sustainable competitive advantage in the emerging market with small capitalization which have significant growth potential. The second is the opportunity to buy such companies cheaply. You may have a logical question: where most likely you can find such companies? It would be reasonable to assume it will be those countries where the economy as a whole is growing rapidly. Let's look at this table and just compare the numbers, inflation rate and GDP. The next question is what determines fast economic growth. Among all the factors, I put freedom of enterprise in the first place. Entrepreneurs move the economy forward. There is such an index of economic freedom that takes into account many factors and determines how easy it's for entrepreneur to conduct business in the country. In this table, you can see the top 6 countries in the world by the index of economic freedom. Yes, neither the United States of America nor China is here, but in the first place is Hong Kong, which is a free economic zone of China, and most Chinese companies are registered in Hong Kong. The next important factor is the population. The young population prevails in China, which creates a huge domestic market and demand for goods and services. The middle class and its incomes have been growing rapidly for the past 10 years. Another important factor is trade export. China is the largest exporter in the world. And another important driving force in the rapid growth of the economy is the financial sector. And this industry in China has become a global hub and leader in the implementation of financial technologies. This chart shows the growth of the financial technology sector in the global financial structure. Orange color, indicates Chinese financial technology sector. If you compare the number of users by countries that actively use financial technology service, then China is ahead of all. Given the second important focus of a successful investor, asset purchase price clearly shows that the stock market in China and Hong Kong is undervalued, and this is well understood by such investors as Ray Dalio and American hedge funds.
If this video, this information is valuable for you, please subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friends, your colleagues who is real interested in serious investing. We try to produce real value to every interested investors. Don't forget, write comment below this video, share your wisdom, share your experience in investments. See you next video.